Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for flights on the booking.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, go to your homepage and tap on the flights button at the top. And after that you should select the type of trip, round trip, one-way, multi-city. Then select the class such as economy, premium, economy, business or first class. Select the number of passengers, and then you should select your departure point and then your destination. And then you should select the departure date and the return date, and then click on the search button, and then in a few seconds you will be able to check out all of the ticket options and the available flights if there's any. So you should wait a few seconds. So here you can find them, and you can also apply filters in terms of the stops. The duration can be set on this slide, the flight times, and then you will be able to check out the results according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.